Good afternoon. Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 217 for Monday, 9th of March, 2026. Great to be here. Hopefully, we will not have the tech problems that we had last week. Apologies again for that. I think that was just every man and his dog was on the internet that day, and for obvious reasons, which continue and give us a lot of the detail for today's session. Whether you're joining us live or whether you're watching the live stream, I hope that you can see the slides. Hope you can hear my voice. I hope that you are well and safe wherever you are joining and watching us from. The Monday market update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can cover in the next 25, 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX markets, looking at some charts of interest to add to your watch list, and then a look at the live markets. It is not a signal service. There are no trade recommendations. It is just me sharing what I'm looking at, which may be of relevance or help and support to yourself. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. Also, if you want a little bit more help and support in your trading, regardless of how you trade or what you trade, the VTP Trader Accountability Group is up and running, helping people build discipline, accountability, and consistency in their trading. Okay. If you want more details, you can ping me, or once again, that QR code will take you to a page with more detail. Next, we have RTX, Raytheon Corporation. Okay, so last week we looked at quite a few oil and defense companies. Okay, so we didn't cover RTX, but as you can see, that is quite some trend. Raytheon make Patriots. One of the reasons that it was of interest to me and more interest than normal was that I was texting with a friend of mine. Okay, who is out in Saudi, ex-military friend of mine, sort of dodging drones, and he's a keen Scottish rugby supporter. He was trying to watch the fantastic Scottish performance on Saturday afternoon, but it kept getting interrupted by the Patriot battery behind him getting launched at all of these incoming drone attacks, etc. So he was not happy. He was not happy with RTX. But if you've been an investor or a trader in RTX, well, you probably have been very, very happy over the last couple of years. I've written quite a few pieces about them and what's going on with them. Okay, but as you can see, it's defense spending, it kind of remains structurally elevated. All right, you've got NATO countries talking about rearming. All right, talk is cheap. All right, let's see them sign the contracts. But RTX, okay, they're a major supplier of missile systems, radars, aerospace components across a huge array of Western defense programs. Okay, so undoubtedly you will have seen the footage of interceptors and Patriots being fired left, right, and center. There's also been talks and rumors about how they're running out of stocks. Okay, we'll see what the story is there, etc. But invariably, regardless of whether they're going to run out of stocks or not, those missile batteries will have been completely sort of run down and they will need replacing. And as you can see, I don't see any particular reason for RTX not to continue in the vein that it has been. You can see there in the pre-market, it's already gapped up there, okay, from a considerable few dollars from where it closed on Friday. So yeah, that's been a great play for a couple of years, and it continues to be so.